Well, forget everything you know about Jamaican cooking and say hello to the broken cupcakeinator. Just take off the lid, put in a carton of eggs, pack of hot dogs, another carton of eggs for some reason. I don't know, more eggs perhaps. There's no playback. There is a third option.
There is?
Yes. And I'll tell it to you later.
But you can't one that is funny.
Now, I'm not usually a rules guy, but this is a biggie. No, blah. My world and this world have to be my. Look, stop it, no laughing at that.
I guess not.
Hi, hello.
There, the dress is clean. Nice work, boys. There'll be a little less than the orders there.
What about the
No, hold on.
Try that again.
There, the dress is clean. Nice work, boys. There'll be a something. No way. There. No, okay, I'll get it. There, the dress is clean. Nice work, boys. There'll be a something. No way.
Hey, can we please find the dog?
I'll get that. Cut.
Wow.
I don't believe.
But the Colonel Wilhelm Academy is a... Sorry. Sorry. But the Wilhelm Academy is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, Joan, and you must act now. Sorry, I blew it again. But the Colonel Wilhelm Academy for Troubled Youth is... Sorry. Is a... Ha! It's what we in the sales game call a win-win scenario. You ready? Ha! Ready? Keep going. Ready? Ha 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 ha! Whoa! Wait. Ready?
And
Hi-ya! Ha!
and action. We go. Ready?
Yeah!
Action.
Ha ha! Woo! Woo! It's a take. We just skidded off the track.
We shut the crate. The house will go back.
Action.
We don't have to tell your mother.
I can't get up.
Action.
Ow!
Cut.
Go. Faster, kid. Boom, faster. Hold on. Stop.
Holy crap. I know, maybe we can trace the mess back to the source. Follow the purple river. Follow the purple river to the crate.
Better you have that line than me.
It's just like summer camp, except with brutal forced marches and soul-crushing discipline. If you're gonna lean on your left leg, or I'm gonna smack you.
Look at me! Keep reading the line.
You're not sending me to military school, Harry.
Cross to that mark, or I'll smack you. What are you two looking at? You got the giant cat trying to go through the hole in the ceiling? Huh? Call me Lawrence, okay? Even though I'm dripping sweat and I look like a steamed dumpling right now.
Affleck.
They're not going to make a mess like they did. Crap. They're not going to make a mess for tonight's party, are they, like they did last time? Wow, what the is wrong with me?
Get it right, Sean. Hello.
Someone there?
Well, sometimes I wish the same thing. Don't laugh.
These are delicious.
Try the cupcakes. They're heavenly.
They taste like dog. That'd be me. I started to laugh.
Oh no, it's just a crate.
This isn't just any. Wow. That's not even funny. Thing one. I don't know why they tried to drive it. Blah, blah. I'll try it again in English. Sorry.
Don't lick the slate,
Oh,
please.
come on, just a little bit. I've had all my shots.
I was gonna have a smorgasbord. Although those drapes are a train wick. They're I'll try this again. Not good. Not good when it comes off. I can still tell you the capitals of all.
Let's go right away. Cut.
To the kitchen.
Go.
Ooh.
Cut. Very nice.